Make a difference to the world. 3D printing has made a difference to the world. Stick to the enterprise's spirit of ultimate refinement and devotion to excellence. We released highly cost-effective industrial-grade SLA 3D printers. DreamRider. Renowned industrial designers who won the Red Dot Award designed the exterior elaborately. Aluminum body. Inductive type touch lamp switch. Matching with high-impact side door. Fireproof. Anti-aging and UV shielding. It is a masterpiece of beauty and science. Laser optical system dominates the SLA printer's key performance. Equipped with Sino and US patents, the laser optical system of DreamRider has integrated seal modular design, dust-proof, anti-shock. Its metal structure has excellent performance in heat radiating. High-speed scanning system with high precision and good stability makes the scan speed reach 8,000 millimeters per second. The repeat positioning accuracy reach 8 microradians. Module 405 nanometer laser. Laser spot is quite close to perfect circle. Owing to the precise hardware matching, DreamRider has excellent performance. The layer resolution is up to 0.025 millimeters. Minimum wall thickness of 0.3 millimeters, ensuring smooth and refined surface of printed products. Imported linear guide rail of top quality makes positioning extremely accurate. Printing process always keeps smooth and steady. Precision is consistent even in long-time printing. A9 processor and 7-inch HD touchscreen make operation easier and users' experience better. Software system with own intellectual property rights incorporates sectioning and motion control. Is compatible to STL and SLC files formats. Perfect interaction of PCs and offline operation are available via RJ45, USB, or Wi-Fi, which gives users smart using experiences. Persistence is the key to success. Supported by 9 Sino and US patents, Rich-Opto will always focus on technology. Speak to the world with innovation and strength. DreamRider is widely used in various industries, such as engineering design, dentistry, jewelry, culture and art, research and education, etc. Rich-Opto is making a difference to the world.